All right, everybody, Bryce here, coming at you with yet another real quick crypto market update. And things have been actually pretty hot here in the market. We had SoftBank announce some major deals. So if you guys don't know who SoftBank is, they're one of the largest investment groups in the world, okay? Like multi-hundreds of billions of dollars. And so they have a couple venture funds, namely the Vision Fund and the Vision Fund 2. And the Vision Fund 2 is currently the largest actively investing venture capital fund in the world. So, they've got, about $20 billion left to spend of how much they raised. So they're a huge international investing force. The other big guys are Sequoia Capital, who actually just recently announced some bullish news that they're going to be switching over one of their fund structures into an open-ended vehicle so that they could be investing in crypto. So Sequoia is another big name. Tiger Global Management, they're a really big name. But anyhow, the Andreessen Horowitz, they're another one, A16Z. But the point I'm trying to make with SoftBank is that they just announced that they put $93 million into an NFT company called Sandbox. And the token for Sandbox is SAND, right? The ticker is SAND. And this thing just went bonkers on this news. And why shouldn't it, right? I mean, it was a fundamental, huge announcement and a huge revelation to the market, basically. That SoftBank is like going all in on NFTs and crypto in the metaverse. And if you guys saw, the other token that went wild kind of this week was a token called Mana, ticker MANA. And the reason why Mana went so wild is because Facebook just changed its name to Meta. Did you guys see this? Changed its name to Meta in order to reflect its push to becoming a metaverse, right? This online VR, AR type world with digital assets. And so Mana has been doing this for a while. And basically this public announcement that Facebook was changing it to Meta was kind of like the market nodding approval to everything that Mana and Decentraland has been working on for years and years and years. So they've got a really good head start. So excited to see how everything kind of goes with the Decentraland group. And Decentraland, funny enough, is backed by DCG. And DCG, Digital Currency Group, ran by a guy named Barry Silbert. Funny enough, guess what? Remember that company we were talking about earlier, SoftBank? SoftBank just announced that they invested in one other company recently, this month, and that was Digital Currency Group. And so who else was in that round with SoftBank? A little company called Google. Google Capital, right? So Google's venture arm basically went and invested in DCG as well. So you can kind of see this trend. A lot of the tech companies are coming in now. So earlier in the year, as we were reporting, we had lots of the JP Morgans and the Morgan Stanleys of the world allowing Bitcoin trading for their ultra high net worth individuals. Then we had the Bitcoin sort of ETF come online, opening it up to a new class. Right before that, we had companies like MicroStrategy and Tesla buying Bitcoin, putting it on their balance sheet. And now we're seeing, just the next evolution. Tech companies, basically, getting into crypto and in a big way, staking their claim. So that's the market update. Things are really exciting. And there's still a tremendous amount of upside, I think, here in the short term and the long term. And now, if this is you're watching this video and you're like, wow, this is crazy, this is great, but I need more. And you need buy alerts, you need sell alerts, you need to know what coins are moving and when. And you need trade analysis, market commentary, market updates, live calls, all that kind of stuff, right? If that sounds interesting to you, along with the community of 10,000 other crypto investors from all around the world, what you guys got to do is hit that button below, that big orange button, right? And you'll be able to get for $1 a 2-week trial. And you can kind of come and see what it's all about. Again, $1, 2-week trial. Check it out.